So the experience working with National Grid on these charging stations have been excellent. It's a really simple process, much easier than we initially anticipated. Initially, there was some fear and concerns in terms of the amount of paperwork and red tape. Anytime we're dealing with grants and quote unquote free money, there's usually some strings attached. And really with this process, there really wasn't. It was a very simple process to navigate through. We partnered again with some really good companies to help us go through the process, and really it's been very easy to work with. We decided to install these charging stations primarily because we saw the way that the market was going in terms of needs for our tenants as well as car manufacturers and where they were going in the direction of hybrids and electric vehicles. We have office buildings, we have apartment complexes, hotels, and shopping centers, and there's a demand that we see from our tenants, our clients, and our friends to have these stations installed at our properties. It's something that I know our residential tenants have really welcomed, and I see more and more hybrid and electric cars parked now and being used at these complexes. I think it encourages people and gives them a sense of comfort knowing that they do have charging stations, whether it be at their home or their business. Knowing how easy it is to use these encourages them to buy more hybrid or electric vehicles. So if the current incentives weren't available like they are today, we would probably still be pursuing the program as we think there's a big benefit for it. But being that the incentives are there, it's definitely expediting our process and how quickly we want to get these installed at all of our properties.